Our values go beyond being pretty plaques on the wall. They guide and influence our actions, and we share them with the entire team at Learnnovators. They include staying curious. Curiosity can lead to great questions, which can lead to great answers. Stay curious, always. Going the extra mile. This could mean breaking away from your tight schedule to help a newbie, delivering a project in advance to help with the client's launch, pushing boundaries beyond the mundane, and achieving what you thought was impossible. Being kind. This means taking genuine interest in the other person's point of view, their pressures and problems, their hopes and fears, and working with them to succeed as a team. Being fearless. Without failure, there can be no innovation, and everything you want is on the other side of fear. Be fearless. Don't be afraid to fail, and when you do, learn your lessons and move ahead. Sharing your knowledge. Knowledge expands most when it is shared, so go ahead, share all that you know. It is the shortcut to gaining wisdom, taking ownership. This means taking responsibility for failures, admitting to mistakes, and giving credit where it's due. It also means owning your work and being accountable for your results. Acting with integrity. And finally, good old-fashioned integrity. Work hard, do the right thing. Keep your promises even when it's not convenient. Our values. They define us, what we do, and how we do it.